Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. So this is part 2 of the first video of me cooking. So if you would like to check out part 1, the link is somewhere up here, I think up here, somewhere around the screen. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the beans in, and then I'm going to add in some other ingredients.
Good. So Nikki is cooking today, and we're just trying to show you the names of the stuff that she's cooking. And then quickly, before she goes there, let me see. Tomato is called nyanya. Kitungu is onion. Mo is cooking oil. San is plate. Carrot is carrot. Oganda is beans. So these are the ingredients that she's using in today's cooking lesson. Now she has already put in the nyanya, kitungu, and all the other stuff. That's on the first video. So what do you want to do now?
I'm going to add the beans.
Adwa aketo ango?
Adwa keto oganda.
Oganda. Adwa keto oganda. So this is adwa keto oganda. So aketo oganda. Aketo
oganda.
You have to say that many times.
Aketo oganda. Aketo oganda. Aketo oganda.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add in the water.
Yeah.
I'll put it inside.
So water is called P. Water is called P. When you want to write it in English, you write P-I, like pie. So I'll add in some water. So come and medo P one. So just a little.
Amedo
P. Just say that. You know you have to say it 3 times. That's when you'll remember.
Amedo P. Amedo P. Amedo P.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm going to start it in.
Beautiful. The oganda is taking shape. I wish there's a way I would give it to the viewers, but there's no way. I'm sorry.
Now I'm going to add the last ingredient.
The last ingredient, what is that?
Ginger, but not too much.
Ginger?
Yes.
Oh, how do you call ginger? Ginger is called... wow, I have forgotten how to call ginger in my language. It's a pity. Hey, if you know how to call ginger in the please comment in the comment section below. Where is the comment section? Here. No, here. Comment on how to call, how do you call ginger? And I don't know how ginger is called. So you put in some ginger.
Since I did.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put in the ginger.
Yep.
That's enough.
Is that enough really?
Yes.
Just a little?
Yes.
Wow, okay. I don't know how to cook, so it's okay. I don't know.
Now I'm going to put the lid on.
The what?
The lid.
What are the carrots? I've not seen you put the carrots.
Oh yes, I forgot to grind
Oh
the
my
carrots.
god. Nikki, you have to put in the carrots.
I forgot to grind the carrots.
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to grind the carrots.
So carrots are called carrot. So carrots, aluoko carrot. So you say aluoko carrot.
Aluoko carrot.
You have to say 3 times.
Aluoko carrot. Aluoko carrot. Aluoko carrot.
Good. So and then now?
I'm going to grind the...
Grind is rego. So you say arego. Carrot.
Arego carrot. Arego carrot. Arego carrot. This may take about a few minutes.
So meanwhile, what you can do is, as she's regoing carrot, we can look at this and remember the Luo English Dictionary is about teaching Nikki how to use Luo in her day-to-day activities, and that's why we decided that this video will be action-oriented so that she can learn how to call all this stuff. So as she's Rego Karat, Nikki Rego Karat, I will also talk about Sende. So this is Luoko Sende. When you're washing plates, Luoko Kijiko. This is Luoko Kijiko. This is Luoko San, because this is San. And that is Luoko Pala, because this is a knife. So Luoko Pala. We have talked about this. This is San, Luoko San. And then this is Okombe. We have a video about Okombe. I think you can check our videos. Look at Okombe. Then are you ready? This is water is called P. P. So Aloro P. Aloro P means I've locked the switched off the water. Then that is a carrot. Let me just cover close picture of the carrot. Let me see, get out the sun. Yep, that's a carrot. So that is carrot. Carrot. She's trying to get some carrots.
Now since I'm done, I'm going to put it in here. Now let's add the carrot.
So you see, Amedo
carrot. Amedo carrot.
Amedo carrot. So aloko carrot, oganda, kitungu, nyanya. All of them are together. Okay. So then you get the lid. Get the lid. The lid is called Raum. R-A-U-M. Raum. So that's Raum. Say Raum.
Raum.
What's Raum? Let me see.
Lid.
Show the picture. Raum. Say Raum.
Raum.
Okay. So she'll put the lid. Aketo
Raum.
Aketo Raum e sofria.
Aketo Raum e sofria.
Okay. Good. So that is about it. I think the only other thing that will be done is it cooks. When it's ready, you say Ose chiek.
Ose chiek.
Ose chiek. Say Ose chiek.
Ose chiek.
Good. So I'll just come to the light and then just finish up. Come and finish up with the light.
Okay.
Quickly. All right.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary.
So they should subscribe. They click here. Here or here? Where? Here?
Somewhere.
Here?
Yes, I think.
Here? Can
yes,
they
yes.
just touch? Let them touch. Let them touch. Where? Here?
No, here.
Here? No, here?
Yes.
Here? Hey. Please click. Oh, thank you. Finish up.
For now, Oriti, goodbye, and I wish my food will cook faster since I'm hungry. Bye.